Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to merge cells in Microsoft Excel. So let's start the video. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the cells you want to merge. Now select the cells you want to merge. Then after, go for Alignment section in the Home tab. Under Alignment, click on Merge and Center, and that will match those two cells. You also have other option to just merge across or just merge the cells. You can select one depending on your formatting needs. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.